So operating system goal is the goal of operating system is to control the shared access you have it, implementing an interface to allow that access over there, how to implement it, supporting activities under these goals. What are these goals over there? Identification, authentication, naming file, scheduling, communication among the processes, and reclaiming the reused objects over there. Function operating systems are, we already discussed about access control, to give access to the hardware, software, and to the user over there, especially to the user. Identity and credential management, to differentiate between the different user, that this is user X, this is user Y, and this is user Z. Now when you log in into the operating system, he knows that this is the login of Mr. Mullah, this is the login of Ansari, this is the login of Tilmisani, and this is the login of Abdul Salam. So it knows, it identifies the different identities and the credential. When I say, it means the password basically. So next function is information flow, and how information is flowing from one input devices to another input devices, and from the software to the output devices. So it controls it. For example, if you print the print command for a Word file, so from the software the command goes to the hardware, to the printer over there. Sometimes if you click on right click or left click, so the command goes from the hardware to the software over there. So the information flow is being controlled by the operating system. Audit and integrity protection is also done over there. So we will talk more about the auditing and security in the coming chapter. And then operating system range from simple one supporting a single task at home, such as operating system for personal digital assistant, to complex multi-user and multitasking systems. So with the advent of the cloud, the responsibility of the operating system is more now, because before the operating system was only managing your hard drive storage, but now operating system is need to manage the distributed systems over there, or the distributed databases, or the cloud for you. So it needs like a multi-user, complex multitasking across the network over there. So the operating system need to deal with the socket programming as well. So naturally, security consideration increases as the operating system becomes more complex over there. So security becomes like more needed over there as the operating system becomes like more and more complex. So as I told you, that now cloud is there, and other communication enterprise modules we have, like the SAP or ERP, CRM. So different complexities comes over the operating system. So the security consideration becomes more and more challenging.